Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a short video on how I did these s'mores cupcakes. So you want to start off by hollowing out the middle of your cupcake with a melon baller. Alternatively, you could use a teaspoon or whatever works for you and just carry on and do all the cupcakes. Now here you can crush up graham crackers or any sort of cookies or biscuits that you enjoy for your s'mores, and you can put them in the middle. Now you're going to take some chocolate ganache and put it in the middle of your cupcake for the melted chocolate aspect of your s'mores cupcake. This is just going to make the inside of your cupcake really gooey and delicious. Now this is marshmallow icing, and you're going to take a Wilton 1M nozzle, any star nozzle. You're going to start off slowly in the middle and slowly work your way around into the top in a swirl. So you start slowly in the middle, make a circle around, and just make a circle on top of that, and you're done. And then just carry on doing it for the rest. And this is what your swirl should basically look like. And then you can blow towards your frosting. And don't set your papers on fire like I did quite a few times. Please excuse me. You can just carry on and torch them, and you've got s'mores cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video.